Hi everybody, Riley, the Cloud Coders Business Development Manager here. I just wanted to share with you guys quickly some stories about how during these difficult times that everybody is currently dealing with, Cloud Coders is helping ensure that our clients can operate within these challenging circumstances, as well as be able to quickly pivot into new ways of doing business to ensure that they're continuing to function as normally as possible in this tough period of time that we're in at the moment. So I have two examples of clients that we're currently working with that have installed our WMS solution and are currently using it in their warehouses and in their stores as well. The first example of this was a customer that had a high level of increase in terms of the stock that they needed to move to customers in terms of the number of orders and the volumes of these orders. Now with our solution, we were able to quickly ensure that our client could not only process all of these new orders and these new volumes, but ensure that all their stock was continually up to date so they knew when people were getting these orders and placing these orders that they had the stock and were able to continue to function even though the level of volume and the number of orders had skyrocketed. This is extremely important to our clients as they need to still understand what stock they have available, and we're able to work through this solution with our customers very quickly to make sure that their business continue to run and they continue to understand that stock level. The second key example that we've had from this situation has been the ability to create improved processes for customers who are currently dealing with things such as flash sales, wanting to ensure that they are able to basically move their assets from having a large number of stock of old items and things like that. We're able to quickly help the client understand the processes and understand the stock requirements and the ability for them to be able to then go and ensure that these flash sales went ahead. They knew where all the stock was and they were able to quickly pivot, change their business model slightly to be able to move into a new period of time where they're trying to change their levels of stock within the business and then continue to function as normal with everything else that's already happening within the day-to-day runnings of the business, while also segmenting that with a flash sale around some specific items that they wanted to move quickly within this period of time. So both of these key options that we allowed and worked with our customers to obtain shows our ability to be able to use something such as our Cloud WMS solution to enhance what people are doing within their business, but also the agility that we have as a company in being able to continually improve what our customers are doing and know that when they need us most, we are here to help them. And that's really what's been the most important takeaway for me from these situations with our clients is, we've said it from the start that we're here to help our clients in any way possible. And it's really good to be able to deliver on that in a time when they really needed it. So they're just a couple of glimmers of light and actions that we've been taking in a positive manner for our clients during a difficult time. If you'd like to know more information about our Cloud WMS solution or anything else that Cloud Coders is currently providing to our customers, please get in touch.